Pokémon has been an international obsession for 30 years. From the original games, to the anime that basically raised a generation, to the trading card craze that's somehow more insane in 2026 than it was in the 90s. This franchise has never really stopped growing. But here's what almost nobody outside Japan has fully wrapped their head around yet. For the first time ever, you can actually walk into it. PokéPark KANTO opened in February 2026, inside Yomiuriland in Tokyo, the world's first permanent outdoor Pokémon park. Over 600 Pokémon living across a forest and a town, built as the centerpiece of Pokémon's 30th anniversary. And here's the actual reason you're watching this video right now. As of August 1st, 2026, PokéPark KANTO quietly rewrote how tickets work, and the new system applies to every booking for November 2026 onward. Not a rumor, not a might change soon, it's already live. If you're planning a trip, this is the one video you actually need to watch before you touch the booking site. Quick one before we dive in. For more videos like this, helping you plan trips across Japan and everywhere else, hit subscribe. Let's go. If you already know the park, skip ahead, but here's the 30-second version. PokéPark KANTO sits inside Yomiuriland, a long-running amusement park in Inagi City on the western edge of Tokyo. It's split into 3 zones: the PokéPark Entrance Plaza, Pokémon Forest, and Kayatsuri Town, also written as Sedge Town. The forest is the headline attraction, a genuinely outdoor, natural terrain trail where Pokémon are placed to look like they're actually living there. It includes a 110-step staircase, and because of that, entry is restricted. You need to be 5 years or older and able to safely manage the stairs yourself. Kayatsuri Town is calmer, shops, a Pokémon Center recreation, a market with 18 small stores, 2 paid single-ride attractions, and a free daily parade. Nobody needs a ticket to watch that part. One thing worth clearing up immediately, because it trips people up constantly, a Yomiuriland ticket does not get you into PokéPark, but a PokéPark ticket already includes Yomiuriland admission. You never need to buy both. There are 3 passes, and picking the wrong one is the single most common mistake. Town Pass, the budget option, roughly 4,700 to 5,500 yen depending on the day. This only gets you into Kayatsuri Town, no forest access at all. If you're mainly there for the shops, food, and photos, this is enough. Trainer's Pass, around 7,900 to 9,400 yen. This gets you a single timed entry into Pokémon Forest, no re-entry once you leave, plus unlimited access to the town for the rest of the day. Ace Trainer's Pass, the top tier, 14,000 to 16,500 yen. This is the only pass that lets you go in and out of the forest as many times as you want. It also includes a reserved seat for the Sedge Gym show, 1 free priority lane use on each of the 2 paid rides, and access to Sedge condominiums, the one spot where you're guaranteed a meet and greet photo with Pikachu and Eevee. If Trainer's Pass and Ace Trainer's Pass sound similar, here's the real difference in one sentence. Re-entry. Trainer's Pass, 1 shot at the forest. Ace Trainers, as many as you like. Quick aside, since this trips a lot of planners up, if you're only doing Yomiuriland itself on a separate day, without PokéPark, Klook lists general Yomiuriland admission passes. Worth checking if that's part of your itinerary. But for PokéPark KANTO itself, tickets are only sold through the official site. No third-party platform sells the actual park ticket. Until now, getting a ticket meant one of 2 paths. There was a monthly lottery, applied for about 3 months ahead. And separately, there was a first-come, first-served sale that dropped exactly 2 months before your visit date, at 6 p.m. Japan time. And it sold out in minutes, sometimes seconds. That scramble is what's changing. As of the update reflected on the official site from August 1st, applying for November 2026 admission onward, PokéPark KANTO has moved to a single monthly application window, no more racing a countdown clock. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Applications open 3 months before your travel month, covering the entire month at once, not single dates. The window runs from the 1st to the 12th of that month, opening at 8 p.m. Japan time. For example, if you want to visit any day in May, you'd apply between February 1st and February 12th. Step 2. You submit your application during that window. You're not paying yet, you're entering. Step 3. Results come out around the end of the month, and only the people who got in are notified. If you don't hear back, that's your answer. Step 4, and this is the one people will get wrong. If you're selected, payment is due by the last day of that same month. miss that deadline, and as far as the ticket system is concerned, you were never selected at all. One honest caveat, because this audience deserves the real picture, not a guess. The official English ticket page doesn't spell out a separate limit on how many tickets you can request per application. Some earlier reporting pointed to a jump from 2 tickets to 6, but that specific number isn't confirmed on the current page. Confirm it directly on the ticket selection screen when you apply, since PokéPark has already stated these processes are subject to change without notice. Let's actually walk through it, screen by screen. First, select the date you want to visit. Next, scroll through the ticket types and select the one that fits your trip. Once you've made your pick, hit Next Step. If you went with the Ace Trainer's Pass, you'll also be asked to choose a time slot for the Pika Sparks show. That's your reserved seat, so pick a time that actually works with the rest of your day. From here, select how many tickets you need. Before you go any further, you'll see links to the ticket sales, privacy, and passport verification policies. It's worth actually clicking through these, especially the passport verification one, since it explains exactly what you'll need for the next step. Now you'll enter the purchaser's details, full name, email address, and passport information. Once that's submitted, you'll move to the next step, where you can add the same details for anyone else on the application, your travel partners if you're booking as a group. And once everything's in, you'll get a confirmation message with an application number attached. Save that number. You'll need it later to check on your application's progress. Getting your admission ticket is only half the puzzle. Once you're actually inside, a second layer of booking kicks in. Through the official app, some experiences run first come, first served, the Pokemon Daisuki shop and the Pokemon Playhouse. You can only sign up for each once per day, and slots open through the app after 11:45 a.m., shifting to 10:45 a.m. starting in October 2026. The Sedge Gym Show works differently. It's a lottery, and you get 1 entry per showing, meaning multiple chances across the day if the show runs more than once. One more genuinely important flag for international visitors. The official app currently runs in Japanese only. Install it and get familiar with the layout before you fly. Don't try to figure it out for the first time standing at the gate. Before you apply, know the guardrails. You can cancel a pending application freely as long as it's before the application window closes. After you've paid, cancellation is still sometimes possible, but only within a specific window before your visit. The exact cutoff is detailed in the park's important note before you buy, so read that at checkout, not after. And PokéPark KANTO takes resale seriously. If they determine a ticket was bought with intent to resell or transfer for profit, they don't just cancel that ticket. They can invalidate every ticket linked to that person. No refund, no entry, no appeal implied. Buy for the people who are actually going. 2 things almost nobody tells you. First, the headliner. If you get selected in the application window, that payment deadline is not flexible. Results land around month end, and payment is due by the very same month's end. That could be a matter of days. The second you get that notification, set a reminder immediately. Don't wait until you get around to it. Second, the moment you clear the PokéPark gate, open the app before you take your first photo. The shop and the Playhouse are once a day, first come, first served. People lose those slots constantly simply because they got distracted by how good the forest looks. The gym show, at least, gives you multiple lottery chances through the day, so treat the once-a-day items as the priority. So, that's the new PokéPark KANTO ticket system, start to finish. 3 passes, 1 monthly application window, and a payment deadline that punishes hesitation. If you're building out the rest of a Tokyo trip around this, it's worth sorting travel insurance before you go. I've got my usual safety wing link down in the description. That's it for this one. If PokéPark KANTO is on your list, let me know in the comments which pass you're going for, and if you've already been, tell everyone else what you wish you'd known first. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like more handy tips and travel content from Japan and elsewhere in the world. Thanks for watching Unlock the Earth. See you next time.